recently read History of Sonnet by Kunwar Viyogi and would like to share and recite the sonnet which I like most, the Krishna. The Krishna. His words are living although he has died. And once upon a time in days bygone, when Arjun was in doubt, he thus replied, "The duty is to keep on keeping on. The path is set, and this is so ordained, that everyone should duty bound remain. And into me this universe contained, and by me all are made, and all are slain. And soul is deathless, deathless it has come, from me to you, and deathless it will go, from you to me. This body, loved by some, is mere illusion, Maya, visual show. This thesis by Lord Krishna has been hailed by countless minds, and it has never failed."
Hi, this is Sargam. I recently read few sonnets by Kunwar Viyogi, so I'm going to recite one of the sonnets which I like the most, titled Father and Son. Full 13 years have passed since you died. Oh, Papa, you left me alone. But in this process I have verified convictions we had one by one. At places you were right and I was wrong. At places you were wrong and I was right. At places both were in a corner tight. At places things were like a song. You taught me compromises, I rebelled. We both were like the bulls locking horns. And like the bloody fighting cooks excelled in using beak and claw and like straight horns. And since this world began like straight suns and feathers, have fought with horns, beaks, claws and feathers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Recently I read Rosary of Sonnet by Kunwar Viyogi, and I thought to share with you because I really liked it. I would like to recite a sonnet which named Love Me As I Am. Love me if you do for what I am, and not for what you want that I should be. Because the love that limits is a shame, and love is real when it makes us free. Here, free to suck the honey from the flowers, like the butterflies and the bees, for endless mating and indulgent hours, flying fleetingly amid plant and the tree, to feed themselves and help in pollination, with nary a much ado or causing pain. True players in the wonder of creation, from what they get sustenance, they sustain. So let's make a convenient me and you. Love me as I am, and I will do. Thank you.
Build my castles in the air. Once I tried to walk my dreams and put my mind to only flesh and bone and overt physicalities of schemes, but after a few steps I fell down. All my muscles, sinews, nerves and will were powerless to put me on my feet. I tried and tried and tried and tried, but still I found myself squarely on my seat. All my efforts, having all my sweat, which I had pre-invested, were futile, but I had learned that frustration and fret are never helpful even for a while. Hence I started dreaming then and there and bent to build my castles in the air.
Hello, I'm Ishita. Today I'm going to recite one of my favorite sonnets of Kunwar Viyogi, Barefoot In The Dew. Perhaps the sky was not really blue, or maybe I was merely out for fun. Perhaps I had nothing to do to celebrate the battles, joy and hope. Perhaps it was wind, the way it blew. Or maybe it was the absence of the sun. Something there was, I neither know or nor knew. Some unsaid thing when all is said and done. I did it. Why did I do it? I, for one. I neither have an inkling nor a clue. When, in the middle of my morning run, a patchy of grassy meadow crossed my view. I do not know if others did it too, and yet I walked barefoot in the dew.
Hi, my name is Pranay, and I would like to read out one of my favorite sonnets. And here's how it goes. My darling, when I wrote to you today, my words outpoured from me in a dizzy state. But then I wondered what I want to say will reach you in some future far off date. This thought was entertained and doubt was hosted. With every word I wrote, it grew and it grew. My letter was completed, sealed and posted, but I remained unhappy. This I knew. And in this sorry state of mind, I erred in wondering what to think and what to do. Because of this, my need be stirred, and due to this, I rushed and came to you. With love, I knew my letter will be read, but it was good to reach you in its stead. Thank you.
Hi, this is RJ Loveleena and I am going to read a sonnet for you. Title hai God's Gift. He thinks that I am happy and content by being gifted this world. Without end, I could have reasoned with him, oh my friend, and asked him, did you take my due consent? Ere sending me to this vile continent, asphalted spectre of the gruesome mire, the dormant grave of a poet's pure desire. Yes, I could mount this denouncement. I prefer but to leave his government uncensored, and he finds me fit and trim, at peace with life and without a lament, preoccupied with songs to the brim. My cup is filled. He thinks I am content. I too keep silence, haggle not with him.